Yes, Mr. Sarthak. First question. 0 raised to power 17.
0 raised to power equals 0. 0 raised to power 17 equals 0.
10 raised to power 4.
10 raised to power 4 is 10,000.
10,000. Okay. 5 square.
5 raised to power 2 is 25.
Minus 10 raised to power 7.
It will be 1 upon 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0.
Mr. Sarthak, exponents is a bit confusing topic, and that is why we are doing a lot of practice. So let us try to understand this question. See, there is a difference between 10 raised to power minus 7 and minus 10 raised to power 7. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
10 raised to power minus 7 would be what you have done. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Because the rule that we follow is that x raised to power minus m is equal to 1 upon x raised to power m. So if you remember last time what we had done was that this negative exponent or negative power brings the base to the denominator. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Now here the exponent is positive. If you see 7, the exponent is positive. Only thing that is happening is this number is negative. The base is negative. Can you see the difference?
Yes, sir.
So it is absolutely okay because this gets confusing again and again and again. So it's absolutely okay. So if you have understood, minus 10 raised to power 7 implies that minus 10 would be multiplied 7 times. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Now here what we need to decide is, see, one part is very easy, that you will have 7 zeros here. Now that part is easy. This would be 1 million and that part is easy. The thing that you need to understand is that whether there should be plus here or minus here. What should be there?
So minus.
Minus. Why it should be minus? See, this minus and this minus will cancel. This minus and this minus will cancel. This minus and this minus will cancel. This minus will remain. And that is why the answer is minus 1 million. Any doubt, Mr. Sarthak?
No, sir.
This is a bit confusing. Especially for beginners, it becomes very confusing and very frustrating. So what would be the answer?
So 49.
What would be the answer?
1 upon 4.
No, it can't be. Because my exponent is positive. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
My exponent is positive. So I can't have 1 upon anything.
So minus 4.
Minus 4. That's it. Is there any doubt still?
No, sir.
See, Sarthak, what you need to understand is, see, this is positive, this is positive, this is positive, this is positive, this is positive. You need to understand the difference between whether the base is negative or the exponent is negative. Sarthak, any doubt? See, 2 raised to power minus 3 and minus 2 raised to power 3. Please see here, the exponent is negative. And in this case, the base is negative. Sarthak, can you see?
Yes, sir.
See, of course, there can be a case where both are negative. I'm not saying that that can't be a case. And this is a case that we had done last time. I think last time. Now, in this case, what is the job of this negative exponent? The job of this negative exponent is to take the base to the denominator. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
That is the role that this negative exponent is playing. And once it has taken the base to the denominator, the job of this negative is done. That is why you don't see a negative here. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So, this implies that minus 2 would be multiplied 3 times. And this would be equal to 1 upon minus 8. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So the answer to this would be minus 4. What would be the answer?
100 raised to power minus 100 raised to power 6 equals 1000000.
It should be. Should there be a negative or there should be a positive?
Negative, sir.
Why negative?
So because it's 6 would come down.
Should there be a negative or a positive? This negative and this negative would be positive. This negative and this negative would be positive. This negative and this negative would be positive. So the answer should be positive. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, the simple thing that you need to understand is that if even number of negatives are being multiplied, the answer is positive. But if odd number of negatives are being multiplied, the answer is negative. Something any doubt?
No, sir.
Would the answer be negative or positive in this case?
So negative.
Shabash. Answer would be negative or positive?
Positive.
Answer would be negative or positive?
Negative.
Answer would be negative or positive?
Negative.
Answer would be negative or positive?
Negative.
Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So how should I solve this?
So minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4.
Shabash. So the answer would be negative for sure. And then I'll multiply these two, 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. So my answer would be minus 64. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
What would be the answer?
So 1.
Now here you can have a trick question. You can have a trick question. So what would this be equal to?
So 1.
What would this be equal to?
1.
By 1. This is odd. So the answer would be negative. Any doubt?
No, sir.
What would be the answer for this?
Positive.
How it can be positive?
So because it's minus and minus.
Arey sir, the exponent is odd. Any doubt?
No, sir.
It is confusing. I understand it is confusing. So that is why we are practicing a lot. That is the only reason. Because this is a very confusing topic. But once you understand this, your years ahead would be very comfortable. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
See, what we need to understand is of course, there are a lot of things that you need to understand. I agree. But what we need to understand is that there are a lot of things which are happening. There is a base. There is an exponent. Now, if the exponent has a negative sign, it has a meaning. If the base has a negative sign, it has another meaning. And of course, depending on whether exponent is odd or it is even, here, whether it will be plus or minus, again, there is a certain logic that needs to be understood. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
See, it is like learning a new language. One day you may decide to learn Chinese, maybe Japanese. So you will have to understand the new grammar of Chinese or Japanese. So that is why it is a bit confusing. What should be the we have done this. What should be the answer for this 5b?
So minus 2 into minus 2.
Would the answer be positive or negative?
So it will be positive.
Shabash. So we can just multiply it because we know that the answer is positive. I'll just multiply it to 6 times. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Because ultimately I know my answer is positive, so I don't have to worry. I won't write minus, 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 minus again because I have understood that it would be positive. So this will be 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 60. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
What would be the answer?
So 6a, right?
Yeah, 6.
45.
Right? It would be 125. Any doubt?
No, sir.
How did you get 45?
So I don't know.
Okay. 6th B, what would be the answer?
So it will be in negative.
Okay.
Negative 8.
Negative 8. Shabash. 7th A.
It will be in negative.
Yep. See, once I know it is negative, I just multiply these 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. This is my final answer. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
What would be the answer for 7th B?
So answer will be 7.
Shabash. 8th A.
So 0.
8th B.
-3.
9th है
1 0 0 0 0 0.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
9th B
0.
10th है
-9.
10th B
0.
Something any doubt?
No, sir.
Next, you want to do this? Or do you want to do this?
So this one.
Okay. So what is the answer of 1A?
So 16.
Shabash. This would be 1. So answer would be 16. Shabash. B.
So again 16.
Again 16. Shabash. 2, 4, 8, 16. Second A.
0
0 upon 1 is 0. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
But 1 upon 0 is not defined. Can you note this down?
Yes, sir.
1 upon 0 is not defined. Not defined. Some people say that 1 upon 0 is infinity, but you should write 1 upon 0 is not defined. It is not defined in mathematics. Yeah?
Okay, sir.
So, do not write 1 upon 0 is infinity. Always write that 1 upon 0 is not defined. Okay. 2B.
0 upon 7.
Why?
0 upon 7.
Why? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt still?
No, sir.
3A.
So 16.
See, this would be equal to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 upon 4 is 16. Shabash. 3B.
So I didn't understand.
Okay, no problem. See, I can write this as 0 upon 29 divided by -2 square. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So what would this be equal to?
So it will be equal to plus 2. 0 upon 2.
Sorry?
0 upon 2.
0 upon 2 would be?
0.
Why it would be 0 upon 2?
So because 0 raised to power 29 is 0 and 2 is an odd number. I mean even number.
Hey Dada, this is -2 square. -2 into -2. So this would be 4. Any doubt?
No, sir.
And this would be equal to?
0.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So 0 upon 100. 0 upon 10,000. 0 upon any number is 0. Any doubt?
No, sir.
And again, 0 upon 0 is not defined. Not defined. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Fourth A.
So,
Any doubt?
no, sir.
See, minus 9 square would be 81 and minus 1 raised to power 48 because the exponent is even. So this would be 1. 81 plus 1 would be 82. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, I'll suggest to do these 3 PDFs again. These are very good PDFs. What would be the answer?
So, 100 into 100 into 100 into 100. So it will be plus 100 into 8.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
These are good PDFs because they really make you think. They seem to be very simple questions, but they really make you think. What would this be equal to? Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
What would this be equal to?
So minus 1.
Shabash. So 1 upon 54. Exponent is even. So answer would be 1. Minus 1 raised to power 73. Exponent is odd. So answer would be minus 1 and this would be minus 1. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
You need to do these questions again. These are good questions. Okay. Have you done 1A?
No, sir. I couldn't understand the question.
Okay. This would be equal to minus 7. Any doubt?
No, sir.
This would be equal to minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 is equal to minus 27. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Minus 7 into minus 27. Would the answer be positive or negative?
Positive.
Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
1B, have you done?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
0.
0. Second A, what would be the answer?
So 0 minus 5. So minus 5.
Shabash. Second B,
So minus 8 plus 1. So minus 7.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Third A,
0 upon minus 0 divided by minus 6.
Would be equal to
0.
0. Third B.
81 minus 2. 83.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Fourth A.
So, yeah. 14 into minus 4.
Answer would be positive or negative?
Negative.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
4B.
Uh, 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 divided by 1.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
5A. See, the answer would be negative. And I'm multiplying 2 5 times. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Here the answer would be negative. Final answer would be 32. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
5B.
0.
0. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Have you done these questions also?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the first answer?
So it will be 0.
0 plus 0 would be 0. Shabash. 1B.
64 into 3.
Second A.
1 divided by
Any doubt?
no,
2B.
12 divided by 12 divided by 32.
Yes, sir. It will be 36, not 12. Any doubt?
No, sir.
This will be 36. 2 raised to power 5 would be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This would be equal to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. And you can solve this further. 4, 9 are 36, 4, 8 are 32, and the final answer would be 9 by 8. Something any doubt?
No, sir.
You need to do these questions again. Third day.
7 minus 49.
Any doubt?
No.
Third B.
4 divided by 125.
Fourth A.
16 plus 27.
Sir, 64. Any doubt?
No, sir.
4B.
1 minus 1 0 0 0 0 0 0.
Yeah. And you can find the answer. 5A.
0 divided by so the answer will be 0.
5B.
2 minus 9.
Any doubt?
No, sir.